I was seeing the movie, I apparently got a hang of what people on this side feel like, the land ownership and stuff like that. But when these guys, the farmers, got onto the streets and for the protest, I was actually waiting for a government say, like, like from the other side. So did you try to get in touch with the government officials there as to what is their side of story?
So basically this same rally, basically once it got over and people were protesting, then the whole day they waited. So even I was there, and by the end of the day, Akhil Gogoi just came back again, the person who was talking, and he just said that I went and met the CM, and they're ready to give land rights. Now that it was such an open sort of a statement, where what does that even mean, or what does it entail in the next few months to come, like what is going to happen? Nothing of that sort was obviously cleared out on paper, but it was just like this huge mass of people are sitting and waiting for this someone to tell them what is the next step. But that's all that came out of the government's office. So yeah, but these people have been continuing. KMSS continues to do these protests in Assam, uh, but they being pretty left wing like that. Their main motto was kind of to overthrow the Congress government also. So, as in, these are realities that are happening as we speak. So, basically, now they kind of supported the BJP government just in order to pull down the Congress government. So, but it's again very so political that sometimes people like Shahjahan, who have said interesting things and maybe true things, they make sense. They get lost in this huge political, fight between the bigger parties. And
We have kept footage of two rooster fighting. Then a dog or something goes into their house, a cat, and they all run and to take it out. So it's a human behavior. Even they don't want that somebody should come and share their food, land, and maybe part of air or sky. So that's there, but on a various level. So those things I really liked, and a very, very nicely composed film. Thank you.
thanks. Yeah, I'm glad you noticed it because lots of people, whenever I've shown the film, they kind of wonder why I've put that shot of this cat taking a mouse to the house to eat it, and all these kids kind of running after it. And for me, it made sense in terms of what the film was trying to say. Um, but these are just like certain, you kind of hide these things, like, oh, this is what I actually think, but I'm gonna hide it. And so.
No, actually, one question I had was you worked with actors in the past, professional actors. Uh, Now, when you're working with, clearly people who have no experience being on camera or whatever, how long did it take for you to sort of get Amjad to sort of open up? I mean, was that a process? Did it
Yeah.
take a few days or a week? Or, how does that work?
No, I
To
was.
win his confidence over so that he's comfortable that he's talking about these things
Yeah.
on camera.
No, Amjad was the first time I met Amjad. He just his chore, the chore that he lives on is very impermanent. So it can break at any point, and so when I was so there are these chores that are more permanent than the others. So when I was looking for someone who was living on less permanent chores, because I wanted to kind of capture how it is to live like that. So I met, and everyone kind of directed me to Amjad. So Amjad's like the main head guy out there. So he, compared to the others, could uh, knew where I was coming from and why I was doing this. Though his intentions might have also been for thinking that I must be from news channel also. So he was more open to me like that right from the beginning. But obviously, I never carried the camera for the first couple of meetings, because the camera kind of, once you bring it in, people kind of act a certain way, or they behave with you also a certain way, which is, I guess, true now. Everyone has a camera, and you pull it out and you realize that that is happening. So But yeah, so Amjad was more open like that. So I was there for about 4 months in Assam. So I regularly kept meeting him. So by the time we actually came down to shooting, he had gotten really, not him, like everyone on the chore had gotten really used to us being there. So the camera didn't really bother them as much.
Any other questions before we wind up? Anything else you'd like to add? Huh?
Not as of now.
And does it have Priyanka Chopra in it?
No, no chance. You come.
As long as it's free. That's a given. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Prachi. Thank you all.